Okay, 382 is saying, is the set of even numbers closed under addition? That's the first question, right? Set of even numbers closed under addition. And then they say, is the set of odd numbers closed under addition? So again, closure means that if you take that operation, in this case addition, will you always end up with a number that's in the given set? So the set of even numbers. So even numbers we're talking about are numbers like 2, 4, 6, right? 2, 4, 6, etc. And they're saying if we add these, would we always end up with an even number? So basically, if I do something like 2 plus 4, I get 6. That works. If I do, 2 plus 10, I get 12. Again, even. If I take some negatives, negative 4 plus, 6, I get 2. So yes, for A, yes, it is closed. It is closed. For B, it says, is odd numbers closed for addition? Right? So, again, now we're talking about numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so if I add 1 plus 3, I get 4. 4 is not odd, so no, it is not closed. Not closed. And a counter example would be something like this, right? 1 plus 3 equals 4, and 4 is not odd.